Time to clean our 355. I'm pretty sure this is everything I'm going to need in order to get this machine looking good. So we have some cream cleaner, all-purpose cleaner, white spirit, degreaser, furniture polish, and like a polishing kind of paste there. So you guys sit back, relax, enjoy, and let's get this poor dirty old beast looking good and looking clean again. Let's go. Now this is interesting. This looks like someone has put like brown boxing tape across the face of the machine to keep it closed. So this is, well, it can be quite difficult to get off. This is really old, so it may be okay, but I'm kind of thinking I might have to use the white spirit for this. But let's try it with the all-purpose cleaner and the cream, and then see what happens and see if we need to get some white spirit on this. It hasn't come up too bad actually. I'm surprised. I thought that would be harder to get off, but no, it's pretty good. That's pretty good. The face keeps falling open because there's no bag in there. And on the 355, the top section of the bag actually creates the hook on the inside of the machine to hold the face in. So that's why. It's like a security mechanism, so you can't use the cleaner without a bag in because it won't stay shut and you don't get any suction. It's quite clever. Now, unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to do anything about this peeling that's happened here on, excuse me, this part of the faceplate. Basically, what's happened is this is actually moisture. It's not scratched. It's actually moisture. If it was scratched, you'd see that. So obviously, it would be across these bits of transfer here. And it's not, so you know that one is completely solid. There's no marks on the lights either, so yeah, this is just water. It's water damage. But we might be able to do something with this section, which is what I'll try and do now with the grey gate polish. Yeah, okay, that's certainly better. Just take you in closer so you can have a better look. So yeah, that is much shinier than it was previously. Smoother too. So yeah, it's good. We also want to try and improve this chrome strip across the top here, but we need to be really careful with this, and we can't scrub too hard because we don't want to remove any of the transfer printing that's on it. Okay, there we go. Yeah, that's looking a bit shinier now. That's good. Pleased with that. That's probably a better view for you there, so you can see the difference between the top and bottom sections now of the chrome panelling. Sadly, there isn't anything we can do with this. It's too far gone, but this has come up quite nice. It's almost like a mirror finish now. That grey gate polish is really good. Really useful stuff. Now we're going to apply some polish and give the machine a buff. just need to give the machine one final buff over with a dry cloth and we're done. And there we go guys, one cleaned and polished Electrolux 355 ready for another 40 years of use. Although obviously it won't be used for 40 years, it will go into the collection and hopefully enjoy a happy retirement. So the next thing I need to do before I do an in-use video of this machine is to either source or clean the exhaust filter. There should be a pre-motor filter in there as well, I think, so I have to try and track one of those down. And the bag that came with it is really manky, it's all covered in mould, it's not very pleasant at all. And I don't think I've got any bags for the 355, 358 in my massive pile of bags here. So I may have to order some, and that could be tricky, but we'll have a look on eBay and see what we can find. But yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. I don't think I've ever actually done a recording of me cleaning a cleaner before. If you clean a cleaner, does that make you a cleaner? I'm not sure, possibly. But anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you'd like to. Always appreciate it. And I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.